Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Los Gatos, local, and long-distance movers near me. Our staff of experienced movers will make sure your long-distance move goes properly. No matter how far you need to relocate, our skilled team of movers can make it so much simpler. Our moving solutions give you all the best options to personalize your move for your particular needs. Our experts handle all of the important moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. If you need to hire a California moving company, rationalizing the cost may seem difficult. When you look into the main benefits you get, the price might be much easier to deal with. You can get the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. You will also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our moving team will make it easy for you to reach your new location without having nearly as much stress. Moving day becomes easier with 3 movers due to the fact that we streamline your whole entire move. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can handle even a huge move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Los Gatos moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving,